Okay, welcome back. Let me just get organized here a little bit. Sometimes these things doesn't want to go in to play ball at all. Okay, wait a minute for a second. Okay, yep. Get into focus. Wait me for a moment while I get into focus. Okay, what I want to do here is just to introduce you to DC motors questions, okay? And this is series motors. What is another popular name for the series motor? How are the windings connected in a series motor? Draw a simple diagram of a series motor. Explain how to control the speed of a series motor using a simple diagram. State how we reverse the direction of a series motor. Okay. Really? Not now, thank you. Shunt motors. How are the windings connected in a shunt motor? Draw a simple diagram of a shunt motor. Explain how to control the speed of a shunt motor using a simple diagram. State how we reverse the direction of a shunt motor. Compound motors, again draw a simple diagram of a compound motor, and the question basically refers to the same as before. Okay. Okay, and that is it for us. Okay, just make sure that I can get it in full view, and okay, yeah, okay, pull back a bit. I can see the shade dropping. Okay, thank you. I hope you found this useful. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.